tall corn stalks. You'll see a very neat, very colorful row of cabooses. Those do make up the caboose hotel. Again, that colorful row of cabooses makes up the Red Caboose Motel. It's a privately operated motel. One of the few places in the entire world where you can spend a night in a real, authentic caboose. As I mentioned back in the station, we are very happy to have you riding with us today here on the road to paradise. If you do take a minute to examine that car in which you are currently seated,
That was a very
that car was
powerful
restored back at our
roll.
East Strasburg station. That car costs anywhere from $250,000 up to $500,000 each to restore to the present condition in which you do see them today. Each one of our locomotives costs anywhere from $500,000 up to $1 million each to restore. We spend roughly $25,000 per locomotive per year keeping them running safely and reliably. We are very proud of the work we do on site at the Strasburg Railroad, and it's all accomplished with the funds from the ticket you purchased back at our East Strasburg station. We do try to make our equipment accurate to the time period of 1910 to 1930. Now, steam railroading is not our only passion here at the Strasburg Railroad. Other passions thus lie just outside your windows, and
What are you
that's
doing?
Lancaster County's beautiful farmland. In an effort to preserve the farmland in which you do see, we have teamed up with the Lancaster Farmland Trust. And what that means is when one of the farms that you see goes up for preservation, we take a part of a portion of every ticket sold at our East Strasburg station actually goes to the preservation of this farmland. So by purchasing that ticket back at our East Strasburg station, folks, you have actually helped to preserve the farmland in which you do see. Throughout the course of our 9-mile, 45-minute round-trip journey here today, we travel in past 20 working farms, some of the most beautiful and productive lands in all of Pennsylvania. On the left-hand side of the train, you'll see the very long buildings that make up the Turkey Farm. This is billed as the oldest turkey farm in America, verified by none other than Turkey World magazine. This turkey farm is a very busy place, and as you may have guessed, November and December is an especially good time not to be a turkey here on this farm. Thank you. Espanche crossing is next, Espanche. This area of Lancaster County was settled in the very early 1700s. Route 741, which is off to the right-hand side of the train, is the road running parallel to our tracks at this time. There was originally a Conestoga wagon trail opened about 1710. Just up ahead on the right-hand side of the train, you'll notice an old stone house with some red shutters on it. That was built right around 1774 and was originally the home of Cornelius Fair, a wagon maker and a wheelwright. Settlers heading west could stop here by Conestoga wagons, Pennsylvania long rifles, and other provisions all produced in this immediate area. Now, as you can see, that old stone house does still stand today, but now it's actually part of the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm. Only itself is getting better and brightness. The Cherry Crest Adventure Farm will very shortly border our tracks on both sides of the train. This farm attraction does offer more than 50 farm fun activities for the entire family to enjoy. And of course has some great food there. And I'll also home to the Amazing Maze Corn Maze. It's one of the world's largest corn mazes. That will be off to the right-hand side of our train. You can get to the the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm by getting off the Strasburg picnic area and taking a short walk down. You can spend a day here getting lost in the corn maze, playing a few games, even getting a bite to eat.